Tokyo Treat and Sakuraco are some of our favorite Japanese snack boxes. Both have their pros and cons, so here's our take to help you pick which one is worth it for you. In our Sakuraco vs Tokyo Treat review, we'll be putting both these boxes side by side to help you make a decision. Here are some of the things we looked into: amount of nibbles you get, types of nibbles inside, ratio between sweet and savory snacks, general taste, quality of the snacks, theme experience of each mystery box, value for money, and finally, which one is worth it for you. If you want our full Sakuraco vs Tokyo Treat review, you can head over to our site where we go into more detail about our own experience over the different months. On average, Sakuraco will have 20 items inside, while Tokyo Treat will have 15 to 20 nibbles. For Sakuraco, we typically get 20 items every month, including 1 kitchenware and 2 artisanal tea bags. For Tokyo Treat, we usually get about 15 snacks each month, including 1 drink. Both Sakuraco and Tokyo Treat boxes will come with a booklet that will list the key allergens and give you more detail about each snack. When we compare the size of Japanese snacks in both these boxes, the ones in Sakuraco are usually much smaller. A lot of the items inside Sakuraco will come in 2, which makes it good for sharing between 2 people, but you won't be able to share some singular items like bread and kitchenware. For Tokyo Treat, the nibbles inside are usually larger and you could share it between 3 to 4 people in our opinion. There's always a family pack Kit Kat and some sort of crisp, which is always a treat. But you'll also get quite a few singular items like ramen and the drink, so similar to Sakuraco, not everything can be shared. The snack selection is quite different between the 2 boxes, mainly because Tokyo Treat and Sakuraco are trying to target different audiences. For Tokyo Treat, the box is trying to showcase the fun, trendy, sometimes weird side of Japan, so the nibbles are usually cooler and more interesting in flavor combinations, like seasonal Kit Kat, limited edition drinks, ramen, funky crisp, and more. The snacks inside Tokyo Treat we'd say are definitely more filling than those in Sakuraco. If you want to see exactly what we got over a few months, head to our Tokyo Treat review video where we unbox and show you a close-up of everything we got inside. Meanwhile, for Sakuraco, the box is meant to give you an authentic Japanese tea time experience at home, so the nibbles are usually more traditional in flavor and style to go with the tea they've picked for that month. You might get things like mochi, dorayaki, rice crackers, and soft cake. So, unlike Tokyo Treat, the snacks inside Sakuraco are dainty, light bites that are made to be small tea time snacks. In terms of ratio between sweet and savory snacks that you'll get inside each of these Japanese snack boxes, Tokyo Treat usually will have at least 4 to 5 savory ones, while Sakuraco will only have 2 to 3, with the rest being sweet. This means that Tokyo Treat has a better balance between sweet and savory compared to Sakuraco. But again, since Sakuraco markets itself as a box for tea time snacks, having a lot more sweet snacks isn't a bad thing. You probably feel the same way about it once you've tasted them yourself. Compared to Tokyo Treat, Sakuraco's snacks cater to a more mature palate. None of the snacks are overly sweet, and they really focus on bringing out the subtle flavors of the ingredients used. But this also means that it's more likely to appeal to adults with a more mature palate compared to younger kids. Meanwhile, for the Tokyo Treat, we can see the taste of the snacks appealing to adults and kids, mainly because the snacks are usually much richer in taste and junkier than Sakuraco. It's hard to compare the quality directly between Sakuraco and Tokyo Treat because the snacks they choose to include and the experience they're trying to give are quite different from each Japanese snack box. For Tokyo Treat, you might occasionally get some dagashi or more common snacks that you can get in the supermarket, but they do balance this well with a good amount of seasonal items which you can't get unless you're based in Japan. Whereas for Sakuraco, majority of the snacks are made by local snack makers from different regions, which makes these harder to find even within Japan as these are only sold in certain prefectures. If you want a closer look at what we got inside Sakuraco over a few months, check out our Sakuraco unboxing video. Overall, the quality of snacks in Sakuraco is better than Tokyo Treat as they focus on selecting quality snacks produced in smaller batches by local Japanese businesses. Although Tokyo Treat may include more mass-produced snacks, it doesn't change the fact that the Japanese snacks still taste great. The focus for the Japanese snacks here is more on showing you Japan's cool and fun side. Both Tokyo Treat and Sakuraco will have a unique theme for each monthly Japanese snack subscription box. For both Sakuraco and Tokyo Treat, the themes are usually based on seasonal and cultural events or regions in Japan. For Tokyo Treat, you'll see a good mix of Western and Japanese festivities like Halloween, Christmas, to cherry blossom and moon viewing popping up as a theme. While for Sakuraco, you'll see less Western ones. Instead, they'll have more themes in partnership with different Japanese prefectures to showcase that region's event, culture, and snacks. We think both boxes do a great job of giving you a themed experience from the very moment you receive the box. For Tokyo Treat, the box is usually bright orange but will change depending on the month's theme to give you a sneak peek of what's going to be inside. It's usually very obvious what the theme is just from looking at the snacks. The guide inside is a fun and simple read with cool facts and events happening around the month in Japan. While for Sakuraco, the box is usually different depending on what the theme is. Sometimes it's obvious if it's based on a region, while other times they keep you guessing. But when you open the box and you see the postcard and the front of the booklet, the theme is obvious. The guide inside has a lot more reading compared to Tokyo Treat, and they take the time to tell you the stories behind the people who have made your snacks and why these events come to be in Japan. Once you go through the guide and read about why they've picked certain snacks, every element of the box starts to link together, making it an even more immersive experience while you savor each bite and sip on the tea, which always pairs so well. We also love how there's always some sort of kitchenware inside that we can keep as a memory of the box too. We absolutely love Tokyo Treat and Sakuraco's monthly theme box, but if we had to choose one, we'd probably pick Sakuraco's monthly theme box. Tokyo Treat and Sakuraco are the same price for the monthly and annual subscription plans. Shipping isn't included for either box, but once you add the price for shipping, it's about the same as other Japanese snack boxes like Boxu or Zenpop. For what you get, we think the price is justified for both Tokyo Treat and Sakuraco. For Tokyo Treat, the snacks are usually a lot bigger in size and there's a larger quantity too. Whereas for Sakuraco, although there are fewer snack items, you do get better quality ones along with kitchenware to keep. Depending on what kind of person you are or who you're buying this for, Sakuraco or Tokyo Treat could be worth it for you. If you like cool and trendy things from Japan, have a love for junkier, more satisfying snacks with a light-hearted playfulness to them, then Tokyo Treat will be worth it for you. But if you like learning about Japanese culture, enjoy light but quality sweet bites that pair well with calming tea for a quiet afternoon, then Sakuraco will be worth it for you. Let us know in the comments below which box you'll be getting, and make sure to subscribe to see more snack box reviews.